Hello everyone, I'm back with one new filler. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Let's break it down now. We will divide this filler in 3 parts. The first part is 1 and 2. We will strike the base of our Congo on the first beat like this 1, and then we will strike the high tom on and 2. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. The second part is and a 3 E and a. We will strike the high tom of our Congo 6 times, and make sure you start with your left hand. And a 3 E and a. One more time. And a 3 E and a. Now let's combine the first and second part together. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and a. One more time. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and a. Third part is 4 E and a. We will strike the mid-tom of our Congo 4 times, and again we have to start with our left hand. 4 E and a. One more time. 4 E and a. Now let's play the complete filler together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Very good. Now let's try this filler with the rhythm. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this filler on your Congo. If you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.